Yo, what's going on, guys? Real quick, if you guys are just tuning in to this video, you haven't really missed much. Parts being back ordered, running into a lot of little small issues along the way, having to retap some threads and whatever. I went ahead and edited some streams that I did. It was about 5-6 hours worth of footage. Put it into this video, so stay tuned. I had to clean the garage up a little bit to turn the car around after I finished the subframe. That way I can start on the engine stuff. So hopefully here soon the content will start rolling through. If you guys want to go check me out on Twitch,